Hello everyone, very good evening. Is your car misfiring or giving a poor mileage? If yes, today let's learn what is the reason behind that. So that is completely of a gap in the spark plug, right? So for this we require a spark plug. So here we have a spark plug, and the recommended spark plug of Maruti Suzuki is iridium tip spark plug, and this is what. And to measure the gap we require a thickness gauge or a feeler gauge. So this is how you can measure. So as per the recommended gap, so the recommended between main electrode and earthing electrode, the gap should be like, if there is a small gap, there would be a big difference between the performance and the engine. So now how to measure this? So let me show this, the feeler gauge. So handle it with care. So this is how you can take, like for example, now I have, so here you find 0.6 mm, right? So let me show you here how to get this. So now it is freely moving. So as per the recommendation of Maruti Suzuki, it should be, the gap of this spark plug should be like 0.95. So from 0.95 it can be up to 1.05 mm. So now this is too loosened. So now let's have a different combination. So as per the recommendation, now I have adjusted with 0.60 and 0.35 mm, which you can see here. So let's bring this combination together, and now let's see here. Alright, so now it's perfectly fitting. Alright, now you can see exactly. Alright, so now this is the perfect way of checking the spark plug. So once if you have this gap properly fixed, the car's performance would be much better, and the efficiency of the car would be much better. Thank you so much. Happy learning.